morning everyone, my name is Animesha Ranjan and today I am explaining about digestive system. The digestive system is the process in which foods are breaking down into simpler substances. It involves five processes: ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption and egestion. It involves the organs which are involved in digestion are mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. And the organs which are involved in digestion are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sakshi Kumari. She is my teammate.
I am Deepshikha Gupta.
We are talk about a heart. A heart is a muscular organ. It is made up of cardiac muscles. It pumps the heart. It pumps the blood to all parts of the body. It beats 72 times in a minute. It has 4 chambers.
It has 4 chambers and in the upper part there are 2 chambers. In the lower part there are also 2 chambers. In the left atrium and the right there is a right atrium. That the function of the atrium is to transport oxygenated blood to the body, and there is a left ventricle and right ventricle that receive the deoxygenated blood from the body.
And vena cava. Vena cava is the large vein. Vena cava is the large vein that carry the blood. Vena cava is the large vein that carry the blood from the heart. And second is aorta. Aorta is the large artery that carry the blood from the heart.
Pulmonary artery. It is the largest. It is carry the oxygenated blood from the heart and transport to the body. Pulmonary vein. It is receive the deoxygenated blood from the body and transfer to the heart.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Prachi Kumari and today I explain about the topic pollination of flower. Pollination of flower. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. There are 2 types of pollination. First of all, self-pollination, cross-pollination. Self-pollination. The transfer pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. There are 2 types of pollination: self-pollination, cross-pollination. Self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma on same flower is called self-pollination. Cross-pollination. The transfer of anther to stigma on different flower is called cross-pollination. Thank you.
Hello, I am Riddhi. My teammate is Shreya. I am Riddhi. My teammate is Shreya. We are going to say about parts of flower.
This is the stem of the flower, and this is the apicalyx, and this is the calyx of the flower. This is the petal, and this is the anther, and this is the filament of the flower. It is the female reproductive parts of the flower, and this is the stamen. Pollen tube of the flower, and this is the ovule and ovary of the flower.
I am going to explain the functions of the parts of the flower. This is the stem. Stem is found in the base part of the flowers. This is apicalyx. Apicalyx is the extra protective layer in the flower which supports the flower. This is calyx. It is also known as sepals. Calyx are the protective layer in the flower. It is green and lifelike structure. It protects the flower in its bud position, and it also protects the inner parts of the flower. The petals are the more attractive and colorful parts of the flower. Petals are used to attract insects and birds for pollination. It is also protect the inner parts of the flower. This is pistil, that is female reproductive part. It has 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, which is this is the female reproductive parts of the flower, which we call pistil. Pistil has three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, which receives the pollen grain, style, which transfers the pollen grains to the ovary, and ovary has ovum, which transferred the substance to the fruits and seeds after fertilization. This is the male reproductive part, anther and filament. Anther, which produce pollen grain, which receives the stigma, and filament, it produces the stability to hold in the flowers, that we call it filament.
Thank you.